How to find apps on Samsung Smart TV. So once you are here on this main home page under Discover, you will be able to see a list of applications you have added to your main Samsung favorites list. You can simply go to the category of apps, and over here you can see all the downloaded apps on your Samsung Smart TV. From here, what you can do is, at the left-hand side corner, you'll see the search option. If you tap on it, you will be able to search for the specific application you wish to install. So for now, I'm going to search for Discovery Channel. From here, you can see search results. I'm going to choose on the application I wish to find and install. Now, once you tap on that specific app, you'll see the option of install. So if you tap on it, you will be able to add that specific app on your Samsung Smart TV. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.